How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to go over ticker VRM and how it's got annihilated and beaten down so far. And people are asking me, where is the bottom? Like, where can I start entering this? Or when can I start adding on to my position? Okay, so I want to go over ticker VRM, and I'm going to show you a back testing, and I'm going to show you guys how this system worked for over 6 years. I've been doing it and consistently made profits to be a full-time trader. Also, before I get straight into the video, I do have a premium Discord. It looks like this. It is only $6 a month, and it gives out my actual trade alerts that I take of my favorite trades with entries and exits in real time to make massive money for only $6. And yes, I'll put that in the link down below into YouTube comments. But let's get right into what you guys want to see. What about VRM? Where is this going to bottom, and where can we head for a nice move up? As you can see, it's just been slow going down ever since from 225, and this is insane because they actually had a reverse split of 1 for 80 at February 14th. So usually what I've noticed is when these reverse splits happen, there is going to be a move down and then there's going to be a pump. So if you're not into this yet, it's your lucky day, because I am about to show you guys a nice little bottom here that is taking place. So right here, we got our green band. That is your absolute, that is your buy zone. That doesn't mean you get right in right away. That just means alert, alert. This thing has hit extreme territories according to my settings because these are customized. And then we have a KDJ, lower the K. The most fabulous, the better the buy signal is. So you want to use these two in conjuncted. And then RSI of 22. I don't really care about RSI as much. That can go down to 1510. It can go to extreme levels. So we want to use those, but it's just nice to, kind of just see where it's at. So right here is our green band. That is our buy zone. The blue band is where price has to touch. As you can see, when price gets away, it touches the blue band. Price gets away, it touches the blue band. You get the pattern now. Price goes away, very far away, and then the blue band is at $19.95. That is almost 100% gain from these areas right here. So do keep in mind. So as you can see the pattern in here, we have a big gap down and then price goes back to the blue band. And same thing for the sell side. If the price gets to a red band, you should not be holding any shares. You're pretty much gambling and you're hoping for the stock to literally land on the moon. It's not going to do that. The price goes in waves, up, down, and then pretty soon it just keeps going down. You just don't want to risk that. And as you can see, price hits this and goes down and then goes further down. I want to look for a buy signal just to show you guys a little bit of back testing here. So here's another sell signal. Alright, here we go. A buy signal right in here, right down in here. I want to look, you never buy, I'm just going to give you guys some brief tips here. You never buy the first big red candle, nor the second, nor the third. That's usually called your 3-day roll. It's a lot of people know about it. I'm just going to reiterate it. And as you can see, too, the K was at a 20 right here. You would not buy that candle even though it's at the green band. And that's why I said there's a little bit of rules you need to know about this that I teach in my Discord. And I have a trading video on this stuff. So right in here is where you would actually start accumulating shares, because the K is at a 5 right in this area accumulation. And then you could sell it up, but right in here is where you would take a lot of massive gains at that blue band. That was an okay buy signal, but it still made you guys lots of money. Here's another buy signal right in here. The K was at 8, it goes down 7. Here we go, 5 right here. A nice little buy signal, and it goes right up, making from with the reverse split. But this made a nice little gain there. And then a nice little long lower wick hitting this and then going back up. So as you can see, price tends to go up near the green band, and at the red band it shoots down all the time. It has never been like really far over above it. So this price is so beaten down, I gotta like zoom all the way out and zoom back in. I do think for a longer term buy, if you guys really did want to honestly invest in this for a little bit, this is actually at a good inflection point where, yes, this could make some massive gains. I do approve of this stock. The reversal is taking place here soon. The K is at 9, and then it's almost touching my bottom band. And then what I want to look for is you want to look for other things like lower time frames, the market sentiment, and then other factors like the level 2 data. Where's the buys coming in? Where's those big bids, holding up this? And that's where you're going to want to look for a preciser entry on these kind of stocks here. But yeah, first we wait for it to come up to us. As you can see, what's great about this system, guys, we don't buy any of these candles. Anybody that's like, I have to be in VRM, I love this company, it's shot up so much in here. This is where Wall Street loves retail. They get them all sucked in here thinking it's going to the moon. It is not going to the moon. We went from 200 to all the way to $10. They sucked in retail traders all in these big candles, when my system says we should not be touching any of these candles, should not be touching any of this till today. It's showing a buy signal, and that's why I like this system. We let the market price come to me. I get those discounted shares, and then I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell these shares just like Wall Street, where it goes up, and I sell those shares to the chasers, and they're bag holders for life. So, not to, there is hope, guys. If you guys are looking to get into this, I'm going to alert it in my Discord. And also, if you just want to like average your share price down, this is another good, you're going to want to know when I get into based on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, I have a premium Discord. I talked about it briefly. This is a one-time deal you're not going to want to miss out. I'm going to grandfather in the first 500 members. As you can see, we got a lot. We're getting very close to it. If you get in now, it is only $6, and you are grandfathered in for life, a lifetime membership of a month of $6. And this is what's great about this is the trade alerts. You get exactly what, a trader, how I like to trade for over 6 years, been profitable. I have used all the systems. I've used so many systems. I've blown up accounts. This system works. For over 6 years, it's made me become a full-time trader, back tested it, and I'm releasing videos because, guys, I'm trying to help everyone out. I put a lot of effort in. $6 a month is the least. And what I like about the $6 month is because it's a magic number of where small accounts can do it and big accounts can do it. It doesn't matter your account size because I can 10x it if you follow exactly what I do. And then there's a setup video if you want to know exactly more in depth of the hidden rules of when do you buy, because it doesn't mean you buy in right away if it hits the green man. There's a lot of training videos that I like to share, and it's a longer video and I don't have time for that, and you're going to love that. So you get a lot of education of how you can trade more like the pros instead of just buying random candles, random dips, and not knowing where you go. A lot of Discord charge hundreds of dollars, and all they give you a watch list, and they give you 10 stocks. They say, buy any of these stocks. One of them's going to go up big. We don't know which one, but one of them is, and then you're going to have 9 other stocks that back hold you. That's not how you trade. You want to narrow in on that one good stock that gives you that entry, and I'll give you that entry, and then you want to have an exit plan. That's where you want to go. This is VRM. I hope you guys love this. If you guys really do want to join the Discord, I would love to have you, mentor you, and show you guys my exact trade alerts. Go down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it'll say, join my premium Discord for the best trades. And I promise you guys, these are the best trades in the market. Where if you're looking for reversals, just like you're watching VROOM, you're watching this video, you're trying to find the bottom of this stock, and it's just like confusing you. Now it makes a lot more sense now that you're watching this, and you gotta obviously combine a couple of. This is a unique strategy. I've spent hours and hours and hours and hours of lonely nights trying to figure out, like, why can I not make money? And I'm trying to figure out my personality. I like to catch bottoms and make those massive gains on those reversals. I like to get in early and sell it to the people who are chasing. And I finally found something that actually works. So you guys can use this if you like to. And also, if you join the Discord. Also, if you want to help the algorithm of YouTube, give it a like, subscribe, tell me what your average share price is in the comments. Any type of engagement helps YouTube share it to other retail traders just like you that are struggling in the market and want to find reversals. And these are the type of videos I do. I upload these to help people find these kind of reversal setups and find my channel. And you guys, I have plenty of people you can message in here. Feel free to talk to them, say, how's it going? This strategy works, guys. And I hope to see you guys there. And let's make some freaking money, guys. I will alert VROOM when I decide to in my Discord. And as always, happy trading and live to trade another day. And I'll catch you in the next video.